From the office of the Mob Justice Football, here is your advocate Ndibo. I'm coming to you live from Hamakuba, a place in Limpopo. I and my family will live in a rural area this side called Hamakuba. I'm going to give you some of the few background. It's yet to be developed, but the stand that is already being demarcated to the far of this area. But we're not there for that. We are here so that we can be able to address the conduct or the verdict that we've been given by the DC of the Confederation of African Football based on the match that played on the 9th of April 2025. Orlando Pirates versus McAllister. So the team has been fined with 2 fines. Improper conduct of the game, and number 2, inability to provide an adequate security during that particular match. And 3 of our staff have been fined with a match ban verdict. Let's go to it quickly. Orlando Pirates has been fined $50. You can convert that one to rand. Has been fined $50 that they're supposed to pay due to improper conduct on the game against McAllister. So it's just the behavior of the team when you're playing that particular game. So it's just a deep English. Secondly, we have been signed $20 due to failure to provide an adequate security personnel during that particular day, or not just security personnel but security measures on that particular day. So we're supposed to pay $20. You can also be able to convert that one. 3 of our staff, Eric Matebula, has been I think the surname is Matebula, but I'm not sure about the name, has been imposed with 4 match ban, which 2 are suspended for a period of a year starting from yesterday. So from yesterday until we reach a year, if Mr. Matebula doesn't conduct the same incident, that 2 match is going to be free. So apparently is banned for a period of 2 match of CAF Champions League. So in fact it's going to be the one of tomorrow and the other one on the 25th. Then he can be able to travel with the team. Sipho Chine and Nkosinathi Sibizi, that's where a lot of confusion was there, and I quickly ran to my TikTok so that I just highlight some of the Buccaneers so that they can't panic during this particular time. So both Sibizi and Sipho Chine were found guilty and were charged with a 1 match ban, which that 1 year ban is going to be suspended for a period of 1 year, meaning that both Sipho Chine and Nkosinathi Sibizi are going to be eligible to play tomorrow as we face the Pyramid. So the only staff that we're not going to have is Mr. Matebula and a couple of Machankura that we have to go and be able to pay. So to the Buccaneers, we are saying relax. Let's take it easy. We are going, obvious, to appeal that decision at the end of this semi-final because there's a lot that needs to be addressed. We have enough evidence so that we can be able to turn this verdict against ourselves. So we as the Buccaneers, I'm saying do the mnyama aridwana richko team yashu ridwana richko supporta hote na kwa. If you want to visit vendor, please just have a vendor friend and be able to visit this peacefully place. As you can see, the bird sound, it's quiet. I'm alone here. There's no one that's going to pazamisa me on my device. So tomorrow, war, we are going there, Buccaneers, and support our team as we are playing on 1800 in South African time against the Pyramid of Egypt. Hey, my voice, ne? Kopela linzamele plaganyana mo radio because ukari tsetla the season sports administrator di bereke.